everyone. We will have a series of video lectures that will deal with laboratory experiments in IoT architecture and protocols. And the syllabus that we are following, it's primarily for sixth semester BTech course. And this syllabus that we are following, most of the engineering colleges affiliated to JN to follow this syllabus. So you can see this. So we have totally 16 experiments. And today what we'll do is, in this video, we'll start off with the first experiment. So that is about blinking of LED at every 5 seconds and also control the brightness of the LED. So let's go to the experiment. We have this manual, and this manual also will be available on GitHub. So we have this first one demonstrating the blinking of LED at every 5 seconds. So there are two objectives, blink the LED, and also the second one is to control the brightness of the LED. So let's keep this manual to one side. And the components that we require, we have this LED. One is we need a LED, we need a resistor, and then in this experiment we are using Arduino. We could have used any other boards as well, jumper wires, and then breadboard. In the video you can see this has already been connected. So you can see we have the Arduino board, and then we are using the ground pin, and we are using the pin number 13. We have the LED, and then we also have the buzzer over there. So in fact, the diagram is over here, and then we have this sample code over here. So the first part is about the blinking the LED. So we just take this code from the manual, and we have Arduino over here, Arduino IDE over here. Let's paste this code, our code over here. And just make sure in the Arduino IDE, right now, I haven't connected the board. So right now I'll connect the board now. So I'm just connecting it using USB. And once we connect, so under the tools, get to the port, and you can see that Arduino should be connected. So yeah, Arduino is connected, and choose that particular port, and then also make sure that we choose the board type as Arduino Uno. So we have chosen Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno. Yeah, it's here. We have chosen the Arduino Uno. So these things, and then we have pasted the code, and then observe that we have connected it to pin number 13. And then let's also make sure that the video is up and running. So let's upload the, it's a simple code over here. So we have the setup. Inside the setup, what we are doing is pin number 13 LED pin. We are configuring as output. Then inside the loop, all we are doing is we are doing a digital write to that LED pin high, wait for 5 seconds, and then digital write to the pin low after 5 seconds. Okay, now we upload the code. So you can see that code is being uploaded. So done uploading, and now you can see it has started working. So LED is on for 5 seconds, and then it went off for 5 seconds. Yeah, this completes our first part. So you can observe that pin number 13, in fact, one we have connected external. Likewise, there is also a inbuilt LED that is connected to pin number 13. So though in case you don't have your LED or the buzzer is not working, you can always observe this, and you can confirm that the experiment is working. Okay, then let's move on to the second part of the experiment, that is blinking. So blinking, let's copy this, brightness. So let's copy the code from the manual. So let's open a new sketch. Let's paste it over. We'll do a control on, we'll do a control V. And likewise, there is also some more part over here. Copy this code as well. And then paste that remaining code as well. And one thing you need to observe is now for brightness control, we'll have to use a different pin. We'll have to use a pin. I'll show you on the video. So you can see for digital pins, we have 13, 12 and all those things. So now we need to use a PWM pin. PWM pins, you can see the pins which have a tilde in front of them. So you can see that PWM pins have a tilde. So for example, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. These are the PWM, pulse width modulated pins. So we'll use pin number 5 because in the code we have the pin number 5 over here. So we'll go to the hardware setup and then we'll change that pin and we'll connect it to pin number 5. So here we go, and this is the 5. So I'm connecting it to 5 over here. So we have connected it. Now what we need to do is let's close this, the old one, and let's keep this as our current one. So now again we need to make sure that we go to the port and make sure that okay, Arduino is selected, board, Arduino Uno is selected, good. So now we are using pin number 5. The setup, again, pin has been configured as output. And now in the loop, the changes that have happened over here is that we use analog write to the pin. So we write the brightness value instead of digital write. So we write the digital brightness value, and you can see brightness value in a for loop. It is being changed from 0 going all the way to 255 incremented, and that's being written at every 10 milliseconds. Likewise, once after that, we are having another for loop where the brightness value is going all the way from 255 going to 0 downwards, and that is being written. And this will give us a dimming effect. In fact, what will happen is because of this analog write, PWM, we control the duty cycles of the pulses. Duty cycle all the way 100% duty cycle will make it complete bright. Our average value will be 5 volts. And then likewise, when the duty cycle is reduced slowly to 75%, 50%, and then 25%, it goes on. And the average value will be reduced. So that's how the dimming is controlled. So let's upload this. It's being compiled and is being loaded. And now you can see it has been loaded. Yeah, you can see that LED is dim. And likewise, we also have connected the buzzer. The buzzer also is making different sounds because of the 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 average value that is being changed for it. Yeah, this meets our objective of this system. We have shown the controlling the LED on and off, and likewise controlling the brightness of the LED.